and welcome back. So this week's video is a painting. It was supposed to be something else. I actually had most of a clay video set up, but I'm waiting for a delivery to come in. It hasn't arrived yet. So I've had to quickly put this video together so that it goes out on Saturday. So the editing is a little bit rough. I do apologise, and I do get my head in the shot a few times because I like to work as close as I can to paintings. And I completely forgot that I was filming. So please forgive that this was done really quickly and it's super rough, but I am quite impressed at how quickly I managed to do this painting, and I do quite like it. So let me know what you think in the comments, and next week will be a really good video because it's already mostly done. Yay! Okay, I will catch up with you guys at the end. Okay, I've decided today I'm gonna do this moth from my sketchbook, but turn it into a painting. So let's do that today. So I'm hoping I've made this super easy for myself here. I might not have, but we'll see. I've printed this out in quite a large size so that it fits this round canvas. And I'm hoping that I could probably just cut out around it and then fill in afterwards. Kind of like a little bit of tracing, trying to make my life just a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've drawn the whole moth out now. I changed just a couple of little bits, but it's ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and paint it. Okay, so thank you if you managed to make it all the way to the end of the video. It is very much appreciated. Like I said at the start of the video, my head does get in the way a couple of times, but these things happen and I did rush the video. But I do really like the painting. I think I would maybe do it slightly brighter so it stood out a bit more. And the canvas is quite a cheap canvas. I think it was just Hobbycraft I got it in, and you can kind of see there's like a line around the edge where it's kind of pushed in a little bit, so you can see that. Maybe worth though, if you don't mind cheap canvases, painting this bit a different colour. It wouldn't stand out as much. It'd kind of look a bit like a border as well. But that is it for this week. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, or do whatever you wish to do. And I'll see you next week. It's definitely nothing to do with mushrooms. Honestly, nothing to do with mushrooms.